Morning guys, welcome back to another video. So this one I thought I would kind of film quite quickly, not like I'm gonna rush it or anything, but I just want to jump straight into it. So yesterday I was going through my computer. Oh my gosh, my screen is so dirty. And I was actually came across these drawings that my sister had actually done for me for my Kima candle brand, and basically this is just a drawing of one of my candles, but then I thought, why not just take the outline and draw it onto the canvas and then use the filler to kind of sculpt it and make a piece like that. I am not the greatest drawer. Like, if I had to draw and my life depended on it, I wouldn't make it. I can tell this is going to not go very swimmingly, but I'm hoping, like, once I do the filler, oh my gosh, I've made them so big. Once I add the filler, then I can rub away some of the pencil drawings, and then the end result will be like, oh, I kind of see what she was going with. I've actually made this woman's melons really big. Let's go for the plus size kind of woman, a more curvy woman, let's say. It's actually quite bumpy, but I kind of like it because that is what the body is all about. It's not perfect, and then I'm thinking maybe like give a little, you know, this bit down here, ladies, we know. Oh my gosh, I surprised myself. Here we go. What do you guys think? This is sculpting with filler or spackle, and I guess you kind of can make this with anything like flowers or, you know, animals or landscapes and things like that, but I just really wanted to try it on a body kind of silhouette, and I think I'm happy with that. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. This really tells me that you guys enjoy my content and would love to see more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.